When your claim is submitted to HMRC, they will look through the report and they will look about how the numbers are being generated and then used within the tax computation and the CT600, which justifies how much tax you're going to get knocked off your tax bill or what refund may be due. HMRC like to understand that the innovation you've done has had a technical advance and is true R&D. An example HMRC use that isn't R&D is adding a new item to a menu in a restaurant. However, in a food manufacturer, taking salt out and sugar out would be R&D because you still need to retain the flavours. So HMRC need to understand that the innovation is real and that there has been an advance in the technology. If they have questions, they can actually send the report to their technical experts in London at Croydon, and they will either come back with a yes, we fully uphold that, or no, let's have some questions. Of all the hundreds of claims we've done, we've only had 2 where it's actually gone down to Croydon. And on one situation, the entire claim got passed off as being upheld. So that was great because it was against the strength of our technical report. The other one, we negotiated around the figures. There were some figures we'd told the client not to put in. They'd put them in and HMRC had spotted that. So it really comes down to how you present your report on the technology and how you're justifying the numbers. In my knowledge, HMRC will make a payment within the 6-8 weeks. If they then are not happy with the report or the technology that you've done, they may then come back and claim some money from you. And they actually have a 2-year period in which they can do that. And if they find a lot of mistakes, that can extend to a 7-year period. However, of all the claims we've made over the last 10 years, we've never known one client who's had to make a repayment to HMRC because the claim has been challenged. If HMRC do choose to dispute the claim, then we support the clients all the way with qualifying the R&D and our costs. We get involved with HMRC, we negotiate on behalf of the client. We are there purely for looking after the R&D tax side of things. If there are issues with corporation tax, capital allowances that the company's accountant has dealt with, we don't get involved with that. We look after the R&D bit. We ask the client to sign a letter saying we would like TBAT Innovation to be our port of call if there's a query on R&D tax. So we look after all of that for you.